let's discuss about productivity. Let's discuss about how to make correct decisions. Let us discuss about how to do great thinking. You might have seen people around you solving new problems because they are able to overcome all the existing ones. You may see people around you solving great problems, more number of problems, because their concept is clear and they are able to solve every problem which is coming to them. And you might have also seen people around you who are not able to solve a problem from 2 months back or 6 months back or 1 year back. They are just completely indulged into the same old problem and they are not able to overcome it. So how people understand this, how people are able to solve problems so quickly, and how some people are not able to solve very small few simple problems. What makes the difference? Let's talk about it in this video. See, what happens is the process towards great thinking starts from a clear statement, a clear if-then statement. Process of great thinking and an effective decision starts from an if-then statement. Let's take an example. If I open the tap, then I will get water. If I open the tap, then I will get water. Very simple. So this is a very simple if-then statement of what I would do, how I would get water, what the water will come out or not, how will I be able to drink the water, from where I will get the water. If I open the tap, I will get the water. Nextly, what I will do, I have a pure stream of actions followed by the statement, if-then statement. Pure stream of actions. I will open the tap and I will get to find out whether the water will come out or not. That is called the feedback. I will open the tap and I will see the water will come out or not. So either the water will come out or it won't. So if it comes out, my original idea was completely true. My original idea was completely true that if I open the tap, I will get the water. And if the water does not comes out, that means that feedback gives me clarity that my old thinking was not true. That means my older decision was not true. Let's shift to a different statement. So that is how we get clarity. If to make better and effective decisions, you convert your whole ideology into one if-then statement. Then you do the actions following the if-then statement. You get the feedback, and that either your original statement was true or not. If it is true, you get the better answer. If it is false, you get to know that your original thinking was wrong. You have to shift your decision to some other sentences. That is very pure way to learn that how the world is behaving with you, or how you get to learn more from this world. You convert it into if-then statement, you continue with your actions, you get the feedback, and you get to learn something more about this world. Just like, let's take an example. Let's take one more example. If I upload a motivational video with David Goggins as the title, people will watch it and it will get over 100,000 views. What the statement is, if I make a motivational video and I title it with David Goggins, I will get more than 100,000 views. So what I'll do, if I do this, then I will get this. So what I'll do, I will make a video and title it with David Goggins. Now I will leave the rest on the situation itself. If I get 100,000 views, my original statement was right. And if I don't get 100,000 views, then my original statement was completely wrong. So I got to know about this whole world, that David Goggins is very famous or not, or that particular keyword is helping me gain popularity or not, or that particular keyword is helping me reach more people or not. So ultimately, I will try something instead of thinking that what will I speak, how would I react, how people will react, and how what kind of situation is going to end up with me. Will I get views? Will I get likes? Will I get comments? Like, all those questions will be directly solved from this one simple statement. If I do this, then I will get this. I do that. That depend now the feedback times, that if did I got it or did I don't get it. If I got it, then it was right. If I didn't get it, let's change the original statement. Let's learn something new about this world and let's change the statement and let's think about something else. So that's called creative thinking. That is how you can do a creative thinking. A great thinker, or you can say creative thinker. That means the person who is able to solve all the mistakes, keep doing this thing multiple times. He tries to learn about the world multiple times, and the more you get to learn about this world, the more you will be able to figure out what to do next, and what best you can do next. So I hope you got to learn the best from this video, and I hope you had a great 27th of January, and I'm going to upload this very soon. So I just wish from the bottom of my heart that you have a great insane evening, you had a great insane day, and you worked a lot hard, and you're still working hard, and you are living a very happy life with your family, and you are working towards your dreams, towards your goals. And if it is true, then definitely keep working for it. Have patience, have consistency, have discipline. Have discipline, and everything you are dreaming will come alive, will come true one day. Your destiny you will reach your destiny, and from there the life will start, and you will hustle more harder every single day, and people will learn from you, and people will make the best out of you. And keep teaching people, keep learning, keep instilling values in your heart right here. Keep instilling values in your heart, so you can spread more positive values every single day to more people. So have a great day. I hope you liked the video, and keep working hard. See you in the next one. Till then, goodbye, take care.